How you doing, guys? Mike from PhoneTech. Today we're going to show you how to replace the LCD, or not the LCD, the glass digitizer on an iPhone. It's a regular 3G 16 gig. So we're going to replace the glass. This works now. The glass is cracked down here and up here. There is no SIM installed. That's one of the steps that you have to take to replacing the screen. So let's show you right now. We have to take the phone, make sure the phone is off. We're going to make sure the phone is completely off because you don't want to leave it on during this process. It's not a good thing. Alright, so now it's powered off. We can now take the phone, and what we're going to do here is there's two screws located at the bottom. Actually, I'm going to show you guys from your point of view. You're going to take out SIM card slot. So you're going to take out, yours would have a SIM card in it. If you did, take that out, lay it to the side over there, and then we're going to go in and open up these two screws. Now, I bought the glass setup and the frame. Easier, a lot easier. It comes with the earpiece because my earpiece is also no good. And it comes with a button. It's a good thing to buy, the whole thing, because then you don't have to use a heat gun. On my last iPhone repair, I had to use a heat gun. Let's buy the whole kit. It comes with this right here. It's a remover tool. It helps out a lot. It also comes with a screwdriver and a couple picks and a suction cup. So it comes with the two screwdrivers. This one actually, when you get it and it's not working, the screwdriver, don't be afraid that it doesn't work. You just have to, sometimes, I heated mine up a little bit with just a little butane lighter. I just heated the end up such, and then I just bent there's a little tip on it that was actually preventing it from grabbing the screw. I heated it up, and now grab the screw. On this phone, there's only one screw. Never opened this phone before. Maybe the person before me has, but I certainly haven't. So, as we grab these screws out of here, we're going to want to find something to put them in. A water bottle cap usually works good. I'm going to use an SD card holder just to lay these in here. Lay them to the side right there, just so you don't lose them. Alright, so now that we have the screws out at the bottom, there's only two, as you know. Now that we have those out, we could either go in and use the suction cup, which the suction cup they give you isn't really that good. It actually was pulling it out. Oh, okay, it actually worked. Alright, so we got it out with the suction cup. Now, usually clip number 1 falls right off. Like it just did. It just fell right off. And now he's got to get number 2 unclipped. Just use this little remover tool. Pop it up. And we're good. It didn't seem like number 3 was even clipped in. Let's see if the clip is still alright. I don't think the clip is okay. I think the clip is actually broken. That's not a good thing. So let's try to put this up here. Now you just got to take the tape off of these two things. I just removed the tape completely. It's not important. I don't know that it even has a purpose. We're removing it because we're removing the frame also. So just take the tape off. This has obviously been touched before back here. Fingerprints all over it. And the thing is broken, so not the greatest sign. Probably not going to be able to get the earpiece working. So let's start removing these screws here. Let's start by this one. There's 5 screws on the side, and there's totals up to 6 screws because there's also one on the LCD itself. Like I said, if your screwdriver doesn't work on these screws, try to bend. There's a tip usually, maybe didn't come out right at manufacturing. Try to bend it down and get it to where it will grab the screw. This screw's having a little difficult time. You just gotta put a little pressure sometimes because they have these little blue adhesive on it, like glue. There's one screw right here. I've done this before. Don't be hesitant to do it. It's not really that hard of a task. So now we just gently pop the LCD out of here. If we can, even. Maybe we use a little remover tool. And this one had dust in it before, so let's try to take the dust out as we do this. There we go. Once you get really the one side up, the LCD will just come right off. And it's still intact. So this is the whole piece that we're getting rid of here. We have our new one right here with all our nice colors on it. So we'll lay the old one down. And all we have to do really is just get, this one has there on it. So all we're going to do is just pull the plastic off and we'll be set to go. Plastic tab is right here. So that'll come off easy. We're just going to grab a cloth, wipe down the LCD because it was a bit dusty in there. Get the LCD wiped down. Now we're just going to rest this off. Now the glass is already on there. Everything's already covered up. So we're going to slide it in, I guess. Make sure the screw tab gets in there good. Make sure that little thing right there, a little piece, I'll point to it right there. Make sure that's in there. And now we have our new front put on our iPhone. We will now, I guess, just screw it in and put it on. Screwing it in is a little difficult because sometimes they don't line up. Let's not do it over the iPhone because you don't want to lose screws in the iPhone itself. These screws are a little difficult to put back in. And if you burn your tip of your screwdriver, it will lose its magnet, so you cannot hold it with the magnet. So don't rely on that if you're going to burn it like me. Okay, this is not good. Maybe that one was just a tough one. There we go, I got this one. Now we're just going to put this one in here. just tightens down the whole mechanism up there. And now for the final 3. They're down in the micro SD card holder. And it's good to find something to put your screws in, because if you don't have something to put your screws in, there's a chance you might lose them. They are very, very small, and you can't see them. If you drop them on the carpet, I've dropped them on the carpet before. It took me like 10 minutes to find this little tiny screw. I had to run my hand over every bit of the carpet. So do not drop them. And they will bounce, so if you drop them, even using my computer as like a workspace, if you do drop them, it will bounce on like a computer like mine. They're tricky, and if you want to buy them with the set, I think it's an extra like $5 or something. I paid $20 for this whole frame and glass setup and earpiece and button. So there it is. They're all back in there. Make sure this one's tight. It doesn't look tight. Alright, so they're all back in there. Now we just connect and hope it works. Slide that in there. That's probably why the earpiece didn't want to work before. That is broken right there, which is not good, but I bought it as is. There's really nothing I can do. Try to put it in there as best we can. You could always use speakerphone. Alright, I don't think it's going in there. I think that's the best we're going to get it, so. Let's put the rest in, and then we'll be good. Go. That's definitely not going in there, so let's just make sure this clicks in here. That's clicked in this. Make sure that one's clicked down in there. That one's clicked down, that one's clicked down. Now we'll just have to do this right there. Just like this, slide it down in as such, and just have to deal with the earpiece being not working, and just pop that down in there, like such. Make sure everything's pushed in, and the final screw right where we got it before. Oh, wrong screwdriver. Put the final screw in. Alright, now let's turn the iPhone on. It's a good sign, the LCD is working. Let's test all the other functions. such as the digitizer and the button. The headset is not going to work. Let's check it out. Now here's the old one. Garbage. See, it's good to replace the whole thing because you get that scuzz out of the earpiece there. The button. Glass is already falling out, so put that right there. Throw that right in the trash. We don't even need anything. I mean, we could sell the frame, but the earpiece is not working. Yeah, we might sell it. Sell the frame, maybe. Whoop. Oh, is it working? Yeah, it's working. Alright. Alright, now it's a button. That works. Sounds good to me. You can just peel this off of here now. Peel it off. Glass works. Button works. Button clicks nicer now. Looks good. Alright, Mike from PhoneTech with the new iPhone glass replaced. Done. Looks good. Thanks for watching.